Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
My name is Anthony Richardson, and I own the company Securities. And what we do is we service and maintain all of the burglar alarm systems for Office of Mental Health. This particular building, we installed a new burglar alarm system, and we're going to go over it today, see if you guys have all your user codes, see if it works, give you pretty much a overall synopsis of how the system works, some things to look out for, and stuff like that. So the first thing here we have, before we start moving around, we have 3 keypads. There's a keypad on that side. There's a keypad on this side, past this door, and there's also a keypad, I guess, if you're using that man door out there. The overhead doors have contacts. And then there's a few man doors that have contacts. There's a couple of motion detectors. That is a motion detector. And there is a siren that's on the outside of the booth here. So we could start over at this keypad. I just wanted to go over the keypad. We're gonna do this 3 times. I know this is a very small space, but I just wanted to show you that on this side, you have this door. This door has a recessed contact. The same as this door also have a recessed contact. So if you are trying to arm the system and you have any type of fault, you will not be able to arm the system. The system has to have a green arm light, actually a green ready light. And when you arm the system, you'll get a red LED when it says arm. So fault 9 would be relative to this door being open. And then you can scroll through the menu. If you have multiple faults, you will use the start button to scroll through them. So we can go and move around, and then we could just test all the codes as far as everyone having codes. So that way everybody can see. Also, inside this room here is the main control panel. So if any faults on the system, someone needs to get in, the main control panel is inside this room. So the next keypad. Here's the next keypad. What is your name?
Dawn.
Oh yeah, I think I've seen your name. You know your numbers?
Yes.
Okay. We're gonna test it when we get to the other side. So this is the keypad number 2. Here we also have some door contacts. So a lot of times with these contacts, especially the ones on the outside, they could get affected by corrosion, weatherproof. So if you're having any issues with the doors, I'll show you how to bypass it. If ever you have to bypass it, you put a ticket in, then we can come at and service it if need be. There is another motion there. We come outside here. We have 1, 2, 3, or 4 overhead doors. So some you want to look out for. There's one on each side, so that way we can keep make sure that the system, because these doors sometimes bend and buckle. So we just want to make sure that we keep the door closed and protected. But some of the things you want to look out for, if anything is rolling in, it may snatch this wire out. It may break the magnet. Anything may happen. So if there's a fault on any one of these doors, I'll show you how to bypass it. Up there, you have a contact on the hatch. So if anyone decides to come in from the top, they're gonna be caught. There's another contact, 2 contacts there for that overhead door. And then there's also a motion detector in the corner. And if it's making noise, we're gonna go through all of this too. And that's your siren right up there, right above the station. So now, this would be keypad number 1. Which door do you frequently come in? All right, so this is the main keypad, and you have some short buttons here. Fire, police, away, and panic. And when the system is all settled, like if there's a door that's open, you're gonna get a fault on the system, and it won't be able to arm. However, if all the doors are closed, what's your name?
Julia.
You have a code. Do you know your code? So how you enter your code is you have off, away, and you have stay. You will put your 4-digit code and press away, because when you are leaving, you're going away. And when you're coming in, you want to turn it off because you want to turn the system off. So essentially, you will put your 4-digit code, 1, 2, 3, 4, and press away. So I want only two functions you will worry about for this demonstration will be stay and off. Away and off. So to explain it, if this was a home security system and you arm it with stay, the motions will be turned off, but all of the doors, so if you have pets, they could walk around, or if you're walking around, the alarm won't go off. That's the difference. But you want to worry about away, so that way everything is armed, and then you want to turn the system off when you come in. So you know your codes?
You want me to
Yes.
alarm it?
Yes.
Arm it?
Yes. So now it's gonna give you 60 seconds, small technical difficulty. So it's gonna give you 60 seconds to exit, which means you at this time will walk out the building, or you wait for it to count down. The last 10 seconds, it'll start a little faster. So if you wanna just make sure that it actually arms, just wait for it to count down to when it start moving faster.
If they get delayed for some reason.
And you gotta turn it off?
Just turn it back off. Just turn it back off.
There's another keypad on the other side.
Not on this side.
What if you get back?
You get 2 minutes. You get 2 minutes.
2 minutes?
Yeah, oh, you would just turn it back off at that point. Because you'll see, wait till it count down, you'll have, I think I put 2 minutes. So we'll see if it takes,
And then disarm and then
yeah, and go do what you gotta do. And then turn it back on, yeah. Yeah, I definitely did put 2 minutes. There it goes, there it goes. So that's the end right there. So now, the system is now armed. So now everything is all secure. So if anybody's walking around, rat, whatever motion, the system will definitely go off. So now when you come in, it's gonna give you a countdown. Same particular countdown, you would put those same numbers in and turn it off. Now, let's say the roof hatch is giving you a problem and you're trying to arm the system, but you can't because the roof hatch is open. So what we can do is, right, this number 6 button is your bypass button. So in order for you to bypass a point, you would need to know, it's gonna ask you to hit star for defaults, and it's gonna tell you fault 0 something, fault 10, 11, is gonna give you a 2-digit code. So what you would wanna do at that point is put your 4-digit code, press 6, and the 2-digit code. So let me show you a demonstration. 1, 2, 3, 4, which will simulate the 4-digit code, 6, because you want to bypass this particular zone, and then you put the zone number. So that's particularly how you do it. We're going to go through it. So you could use your numbers, press 6 for bypass, and then the 2-digit zone number. You get it. You try it, Dawn. You're going to be the master here.
Oh, goodness.
The 2-digit, your 4-digit code, the bypass, and then the 2-digit zone number. It was 01.
Oh. So I got to start over?
No, you can still press 01.
Oh.
So now you also bypass 12, but that's fine. Now the system is, you can still arm it. You see as the door is open, the system bypassed this particular sensor, so that way you can still arm it. You put the ticket in so we can come out and check to see why this door was giving you a problem. And when you disarm the system, it will automatically take these out of bypass. Cool? You can try it. We're gonna turn the system on, and we're gonna turn the system off. So we're gonna use your 4-digit code, your 4-digit numbers, and we're gonna press 2 for away. Two. Oh, that was in there. So now you are arming the system, and if you repeat the same process and press off, you will now turn it off. You don't have to wait, because I just want you to perform the function, so that way the brain and the fingers move together. Don't wait till the alarm go off. All right, so now we're gonna do a bypass. So I'm gonna hold this door open. It's gonna say hit star for defaults. This is the star button. So what that's telling you is that the system has problems, and you have to scroll through the menu to see what the problems are. So when you hit star, is going to tell you what fault it is, which is 01. So you want to record 01. So what you want to do is use your 4-digit code, press 6, and then 01 to bypass the zone. Zero. Yep. Yep. Now you know how to bypass this door. You got a ready green light, so now you could turn the system on and then turn it back off. You, sir.
I got my code. Turn it on.
Turn it on. 2. Yep. And we could turn it off. Now we want to bypass. You got some good notes there. Yep.
One.
Yep.
Now punch my code and bypass 6 and
0.
0.
Yep. And now you're able to bypass. You got your ready light, and now you can arm the system.
Okay. Arm it or no?
No, you don't have to arm it. We got one more step, but after everybody get familiar with this. Yes, sir. What's your name?
James.
James. How you doing, James? I'm good, brother. I'm good. Let's see. Yes. Let's go. You know,
I missed it. You had to stop me.
don't worry. You know your numbers, though, right?
Yeah.
So we're gonna turn the system on.
Okay.
Let me start over. We have off and we have away.
Okay.
When we press our 4-digit code and press away, we're leaving for the day.
Okay.
Our 4-digit code off, we're coming in.
Okay, gotcha.
So we want to use our 4-digit code and press away. Okay. Now, of course, it's going to give you a 2-minute countdown. When it counts down fast, that means either you leave now,
Right.
or wait till it count down fast and you can walk out. But we can turn it back off. You could put your 4-digit code and press yes. Now it's off. Now, the roof hatch is faulty.
Okay.
So what we want to do is, the system is going to tell us, first you're going to notice that there's no LED. So that's going to tell them immediately, exactly. So it's going to say hit star for defaults. This is the star button you want to hit. And you want to pay attention to the fault, the 2-digit zone number. So you're going to use your 4-digit code, 6 to bypass, and then the 2-digit code. 001. Yep. And now you bypass the point.
Okay.
So you're good.
Is Zoho One the roof?
No, this is yeah.
What number is the
I have a list.
Okay.
I think I sent it to Melinda. I don't know
I
if
have. She sent it to me. I probably didn't forward on, but yeah, if I have one.
yeah, got the whole thing in
There are
it.
multiple faults. Do you punch in every single?
Yeah, you have each and every one. If you have multiple faults, nah, don't call me. Don't call me. Call OMA PD. Call them, and then they'll call me. D, Mr. No, D don't have a code. You, sir, no code for you.
Yeah, these guys.
Ma'am, no code for you. So, yeah, if you guys need codes and gonna be accessing the system, then you gotta send that up so I can come out and put the codes in.
And they're gonna do that.
Yeah.
Or on Monday, that's going not supposed to.
That.
Procedure concern.
All right. So now I want to simulate the system and alarm when you come in and what you do. So now when the system is armed, and let's say a bird got in here and your motion is the motion the seeing the bird and then it triggered the alarm, your horns are going to be going off. You probably come in a little panicky. All you have to do is just reset the system by putting your code in, turning off, which will silence everything first. Then you repeat the process to actually reset it. But we'll go through the whole thing.
So,
And we'll demonstrate it as well.
so we would go and come in and just put in the code first, then off.
Yep.
Right there.
Yep. And then because you'll hear how loud it's going to get.
And everything shuts.
Yes.
Everything shuts off. How audible is it outside?
We're going to find out.
Does it
We're going to find out.
Oh, I don't want to have it ready.
We're going to find out.
Goes off in the nighttime. Is the rate of involved? Do you think it's
So it's gonna keep alarming the whole time.
It's on a timer. No, it's on a timer. The timeout is 10 minutes. So it won't. No, it won't. But
So 10 minutes and then it will shut up automatically.
right, but PD gets it immediately.
Okay.
Like OMH PD, and then they'll dispatch NYPD, like ASAP. All right, so I'm waiting for it to activate. So now it's telling you to disarm, but you wouldn't know this process right here is happening. You'll come in after this part. I don't think it's that loud. I mean, it's piercing, but I don't think it's that loud. So that's what you'll be hearing, right? So when you come in, you'll see you'll have the alarm going off. You'll put your code in. And then the first one, like I said, will silence it, but it's still active. So what you would have to do is put your code in again to actually reset it.
Reset.
But if it's still showing you press star for fault, either the point is still open, something is going on. Something's going on.
So should we, at that point, maybe turn the system off just so we don't get the repeat of the...
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Because now you just walked in for the day, so it'll be off. It'll be off. Any questions? Nope. No. Do it.
Okay. Just if the alarm goes off, so you come in, punch the code, turn it off.
2 times.
Turn it off the first time. It'll still say
Yes, I'm still here.
alarm is
Yep.
still active.
Yep.
Punching your code
Yep.
again, and then you turn it off.
It resets it.
Oh,
It resets
just
it.
punching the code.
Right. Resets it.
Does this code turn off the other codes or do you
All 3 keypads are linked. They're linked.
what you want will turn on?
Right. Right. So just in case if you leave this way but come in another way, yes, you can do that.
These all of them you heard all those levels sound.
About 10 minutes. About 10 minutes. It is shut off after that.
Somebody.
No. Yeah. Unless there's a like if that door go off, in order for it to come back, another point would need to be active. That's like a resound. I got a question. Trucks. You have big trucks coming through this way? Big trucks. So they just want to be careful of the. Those are common problems hitting that.
But yeah, we pointed out to them that having the contacts where they were at.
Yeah, I think we had to spread them out a little. Yeah.
Try to keep the barricades there, keep them away from the door. But our biggest problem is make sure they don't get the door.
that is a bigger problem. So, if anybody don't have any more questions, did anyone learn anything today? Anyone feel smarter today? Just a little bit?
We'll be pleased. But if you want to come back again on Monday, if you want another refresh.
How do we contact you for like
Through OMH PD. OMH PD.
Is there an email?
Melinda is the chief. Yeah, so you could email Rogers and she handles everything.
Okay.
Yeah. Got to mention this. There's a motion there, and you have also another keypad here. So they asked the question of motion. So, right, I was off.
1, 2,
3, and the man door. So you have a motion here, 2 motions in the warehouse, and then 2 motions in that area over there. So that's all the motions. And pretty much, I didn't do the outside door, but they wanted us to do just this door because I'm not sure if this gate was going to be operable. So that's 100% it. That's the whole thing.
Thank you.
No, all right. It's been a pleasure. You guys have a good day. You get back to work. And yeah.